Every winter, when darkness swallows the Welsh mountains, something ancient stirs beneath the earth. His name is Gwyn ap Nudd, King of the Dead, Lord of the Wild Hunt, and he has been cursed to ride forever. Long ago, he made a bargain that doomed his soul. Two kings fighting over the same woman, bound to battle each May Day until the world ends. But this eternal war serves a darker purpose, because Gwyn must gather the souls that refuse to cross over. When winter storms rage across Wales, farmers still hear them, the howling of his phantom hounds, hunting through the night. They're not hunting animals, they're hunting the dead. Those who cling to this world, who won't accept their fate, become his prey. And when the wild hunt rides, there is nowhere to hide, because Gwyn ap Nudd doesn't just rule the other world, he decides who gets dragged there. So when you hear hounds howling in a winter storm, pray they're not coming for you, because some hunts never end.